Northern slopes of the Himalayas have a thicker vegetation cover compared to the southern slopes. Northern slopes of the Himalayas have a thicker vegetation. हाँ ये तो सही है, ठीक. Have a thicker vegetation. Northern slope of the Himalayas have a thicker vegetation cover compared to the southern slope. सही है. Southern slopes receives more rainfall than the northern slope. ये भी सही है. Southern slopes receive more rainfall due to moist monsoon winds, but they also experience greater deforestation and human settlement. Northern slopes have colder conditions, less rainfall, and coniferous forest, but retain denser forest cover. Southern slope have less vegetation in the lower elevation, but higher deforestation. Northern slopes have less human activity, preserving forest cover. Climate and aspect sun-facing slopes influence vegetation density. Sun-facing slope. Altitude affect vegetation in the Himalayas due to temperature, rainfall, and soil fertility. Soil erosion follows the sequence splash, seat, reel, and gully erosion. Tree line is higher in eastern Himalayas, 3600 to 3800 meter, than in western Himalayas, 3300 meter to 3600 meter. Forests 65% coverage are the major resource of western Himalayas. Deodar is the dominant tree in the western Himalayas. टेम्परेट जोन मतलब 1500 मीटर से 2500 मीटर तक. नॉर्थर्न स्लोप ऑफ द हिमालयाज हैव थिकर वेजिटेशन ड्यू टू लोअर ह्यूमन इम्पैक्ट डिस्पाइट रिसीविंग लेस रेनफॉल. कंजर्वेशन एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज इश्यूज क्या है. वेस्टर्न हिमालयाज फेस डिफॉरेस्टेशन, ग्लेशियल मेल्टिंग एंड लॉस ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी. इको सेंसिटिव जोन्स आर बीइंग डिक्लेयर्ड टू प्रोटेक्ट forest. A forestation program like Green India Mission aim to restore Himalayan forest. The northern slope of Himalayas have thicker vegetation cover compared to southern slope. सही है. Southern slope of the Himalayas receive more rainfall than the northern slope. सही है. Southern slope receive more rainfall due to monsoon and orographic effect leading to denser vegetation. Northern slopes are drier with sparse coniferous forest and alpine meadows. Thus, assertion is false, but the reason is true. ये जो ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन था ये गलत था, ये गड़बड़ हो गया था, इसको ना माना जाए. ये गड़बड़ था. ठीक, तो ये देखा जाए. Assertion reasoning on vegetation cover of Himalayas. The northern slopes of the Himalayas have thicker vegetation cover compared to the southern slopes. नॉर्थन नहीं, जो साउथर्न स्लोप है वहाँ थिकर वेजिटेशन है. सबसे ज़्यादा बारिश पानी इधर हो रहा है तो इधर ही होगा ना. नॉर्थन पे ड्राई है मामला. साउथर्न स्लोप रिसीव्स मोर रेनफॉल ड्यू टू मानसून एंड ओरोग्राफिक इफेक्ट लीडिंग टू डेंसर वेजिटेशन. नॉर्थर्न स्लोप्स आर ड्रायर एंड विथ स्पेयर्स कॉनिफरस फॉरेस्ट एंड अल्पाइन मीडोज. थस assertion is false but the reason is true. Rain shadow effect. Northern slopes receives less rainfall due to orographic precipitation patterns. Vegetation gradient. Southern slopes have moist deciduous forest at lower altitude and coniferous forest at higher altitude, while northern slopes have dry alpine and cool desert vegetation. It which state does सिंकोना नॉट ग्रो. छत्तीसगढ़ में नहीं ग्रो करता है क्योंकि एल्टीट्यूड हाई नहीं है. असम, केरला, वेस्ट बंगाल में. सिंकोना इज एन एवरग्रीन ट्रॉपिकल प्लांट दैट रिक्वायर्स हाई रेनफॉल एंड ह्यूमिडिटी. इट इज मेनली ग्रोन इन, मतलब हाई रेनफॉल भी चाहिए, ह्यूमिडिटी भी चाहिए. इट इज मेनली ग्रोन इन तमिलनाडु, केरला, महाराष्ट्र, असम, अरुणाचल, मेघालय, नागालैंड, त्रिपुरा, West Bengal and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Chhattisgarh has tropical dry and monsoon type forest, making it unsuitable for cinchona cultivation. Cinchona was introduced in India by British in 1861 for quinine protection, malaria treatment. West Bengal has largest cinchona plantation, Darjeeling region में cinchona quinine protection. Which tree is called flame of the forest? तो Butea monosperma is also called dhak or palas. Butea monosperma, flame of the forest. Palas is known as flame of the forest due to its bright orange red flowers. It is commonly found in dry deciduous forest and used for dye production and religious rituals. Bauhinia virginia Kachanar produces pink purple flowers. Kachanar, Bauhinia variegata. Jacaranda mimosflophia, a non-native ornamental tree with purple flowers. Tectona grandis teak, a valuable timber tree not known for its flowers. Butea monosperma is the state flower of Uttar Pradesh. Butea monosperma. In which states is teak found? टीक कहाँ कहाँ? मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, झारखंड, कर्नाटक. क्योंकि ये डिसीजियस फॉरेस्ट में मध्य प्रदेश has highest teak forest cover in India. Teak is also found in Karnataka, Jharkhand and part of Uttar Pradesh. India's largest teak reserve in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Teak is highly durable and used in shipbuilding, furniture and construction. Which of the following plants have no flowers? जैकफ्रूट को होता है, फिग को होता है, ऑर्चिड को होता है, फर्न को नहीं होता है. Fern reproduce by spores, not flowers or seeds. They belong to Petriotype group, one of the oldest plant forms. जैकफ्रूट, फिग और ऑर्चिड को फ्लावर्स होते हैं. Fern thrive in moist, shady environment and play a role in ecological succession. Fern, jackfruit, fig or orchid. Why is alpine vegetation found at higher altitude in the eastern Himalayas than in western Himalayas? Why is alpine vegetation found at higher altitude in the eastern Himalayas than in western Himalayas? क्योंकि ईस्टर्न हिमालयाज आर क्लोजर टू द इक्वेटर एंड सी. इसी वजह से टेम्परेचर हाई रहता है वहाँ. बारिश भी. ईस्टर्न हिमालयाज आर वार्मर ड्यू टू इट्स देयर proximity to the equator and sea, allowing vegetation at higher altitude up to 4,000 meters. Western Himalayas being farther north have a lower snow line and tree line 3,000 meters. Eastern Himalayas are biodiversity hotspot, home of the red panda and unique orchids. Climate change is pushing the tree line higher in both regions. Difference between oryx and chiru. ये क्या है? Oryx is adapted to hot arid region while chiru lives in cold high altitude areas. Oryx found in Arabian and African desert is adapted to hot and dry climates. जबकि chiru, Tibetan antelope, is a native to Ladakh and the Tibetan plateau, adapted to extreme cold. Chiru is critically endangered due to illegal poaching of shahtoos wool. चीरू से ही क्या मिलता है? शहतूश वूल मिलता है. चीरू ये क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड कैटेगरी में आता है. कंजर्वेशन एफर्ट. चीरू इज प्रोटेक्टेड अंडर साइट्स एंड द वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1972. अब ये मैच करना हम लोग को. टीक कहाँ मिलता है? मध्य प्रदेश महाराष्ट्र वाले रीजन में. मध्य प्रदेश महाराष्ट्र सेंट्रल इंडिया. देवदार हिमालयन तराई रीजन. सुंदरी सुंदरबन. सिंकोना हाई एल्टीट्यूड हिमालयास पे. ठीक. देवदार ग्रोज ऑन हिमालयन फुटहिल्स तराई रीजन. सुंदरी डोमिनेंट ट्री इन सुंदरबंस कोस्टल मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट. सिंकोना थ्राइव्स इन हाई एल्टीट्यूड humid forest in the Himalayas. The southern Himalayas receive more rainfall, leading to denser vegetation. ठीक, Cinchona does not grow in Chhattisgarh, dry climate, but thrives in Assam, Kerala, and West Bengal. Butea monosperma pallas is a flame of forest and the state flower of Uttar Pradesh. Teak forests are found in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Jharkhand, and Uttar Pradesh. Ferns are seedless vascular plants that reproduce via spores. Alpine vegetation occur at higher altitude in eastern Himalaya due to their proximity to the equator and sea. Oryx is a desert species, while Chiru, Tibetan antelope, lives in cold, high altitude region Ladakh. Devdar, teak, Sundari, and Cinchona grow in distinct ecological zones. Sundarbans are which types of forest? Littoral or tidal forest. Sundarbans forest are type of littoral or tidal forest primarily composed of mangrove trees. Sundari heritieriformis is a dominant tree species which gives the region its name. These forests thrive in saline, waterlogged conditions and are found along the delta region of major rivers. Tropical dry deciduous forest. Tropical dry deciduous forest found in central and western India, consisting mainly of teak and salt trees. Alpine forest found in high altitude Himalayan regions, about 3000 meters, with pine, fir, and rhododendron. Alpine forest, high altitude Himalayan region, about 3000 meters, with pine, fir, and rhododendron. Subtropical pine forest found in lower Himalayan slopes, 1000 to 2500 meters, dominated by cheer pine and blue pine. Sundarban is the largest mangrove forest in the world, covering 10,000 square kilometers across India and Bangladesh. It is home of the Royal Bengal tiger and a UNESCO World Heritage Site 1987. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? सुंदरी वेस्ट बंगाल, टीक जो है इधर मध्य प्रदेश महाराष्ट्र, उत्तर देवदार ये मध्य प्रदेश नहीं, जहाँ हाई ह्यूमिडिटी और बारिश होती है वहाँ पाया जाता है। सैंडलवुड कर्नाटक, वहाँ तमिलनाडु कर्नाटक में पाया जाता है। सुंदरी ट्री डोमिनेट द सुंदरबन विच लोकेटेड इन वेस्ट बंगाल एंड बांग्लादेश. टीक फाउंड मेनली इन मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र एंड कर्नाटक, नॉट जम्मू कश्मीर. देवदार नेटिव टू हिमालयन फॉरेस्ट, हिमाचल, Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir, not Madhya Pradesh. Sandalwood predominantly found in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, not Kerala. Which of the following forest types with their respective region? Tropical moist deciduous, तो ये तराई रीजन मतलब जो नीचे का पार्ट होता है. ट्रॉपिकल ड्राई डिसीजियस सह्याद्री, मतलब अपना सेंट्रल इंडिया में. ट्रॉपिकल ड्राई डिसीज वेस्टर्न सह्याद्री, वेस्टर्न घाट एंड सेंट्रल इंडिया, महाराष्ट्र, अल्पाइन, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, हिमालय के सबसे ऊपर वाला मामला. ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन मिडिल गंगा प्लेन देखते हैं. ट्रॉपिकल मॉइस्ट डिसीजियस फॉरेस्ट फाउंड इन तराई, ईस्टर्न घाट्स एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया. ट्रॉपिकल ड्राई डिसीजियस फॉरेस्ट फाउंड इन सह्याद्री, वेस्टर्न घाट एंड सेंट्रल इंडिया. Alpine forest found in Himalayan region like Arunachal, Uttarakhand and Ladakh. Tropical evergreen forest found in high rainfall area like Andaman, Nicobar and Western Ghat. Which of the forest type with its region? Tropical forest silent value केरला में है. Conifer forest हिमाचल प्रदेश जो पहाड़ों के ऊपर होता है. मैंग्रोव सुंदरबन. Deciduous forest राजस्थान. Silent value Kerala is an example of tropical rainforest. Himachal Pradesh has dense coniferous forest, Deodar pine tree. Mangroves are found in Sundarban, West Bengal and Bangladesh. Deciduous forest dominate Rajasthan's Aravalli region. Silent Valley National Park is biodiversity hotspot with endangered species like lion-tailed macaw. ये साइलेंट वैली कहाँ है? केरला में. फ्लावर वैली कहाँ है? उत्तराखंड में हाँ फ्लावर वैली। Sandalwood is a highly valuable tree used in perfumes, carvings, and religious rituals. Open stunted forest with bushes and small trees having long roots and sharp thorns are commonly found in eastern Odisha. Open stunted forest with bushes having long roots and sharp thorns are western Andhra Pradesh में. Western Andhra Pradesh has a semi-arid climate with thorn forest consisting of babul, khajari and bar trees. अच्छा. Eastern Odisha has moist deciduous forest, not thorn forest. Northeastern Tamil Nadu receives moderate rainfall supporting tropical dry forest. Shivalik and Tarai region characterized by moist deciduous and subtropical forest, not thorn forest. Thorn forests are adapted to extreme drought condition and are common in Rajasthan, Gujarat and Deccan Plateau. ठीक है. Sundarbans are littoral tidal forest with dominant mangrove vegetation. Sundari heritaria forms is the key tree species in Sundarban, West Bengal. Teak forests are found in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Karnataka. Deodar is native to Western Himalayas, not found in Madhya Pradesh. Sandalwood is mainly found in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. A silent value, Kerala is biodiversity rich tropical rainforest. Mangroves are found in Sundarban, while coniferous forests dominate Himachal Pradesh. Western Andhra Pradesh has thorn forest adapted to dry and semi-arid climates. Which among the following trees is found at highest elevation from sea level? Which among the following trees are found at highest elevation? Pine, sal, teak. देवदार सबसे ऊंचा पाया जाता है. देवदार cricket is found in elevation between 1500 to 2500 meters in western Himalayas. It is coniferous tree adapted to cold and high altitude conditions, known as tree of the gods. It is highly valuable forest durable timber. Pine, especially like cheer pine, Pinus roxburghi, grow at elevation 900 to 1800 meter, while blue pine, Pinus valiciana, reaches 2200 meter, lower than Deodar. Sal, Soria robusta, found in sub-Himalayan region and central India, 5000 to 100 meter. Teak Tectonia grandis thrive in tropical dry deciduous forest. Tropical dry deciduous 300 to 1000 meter, primarily in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Chhattisgarh. Teak. Deodar is extensively used in construction, particularly in temple and railway sleepers. Climate change is affecting Deodar forest and warming, leading to shift their higher altitude. Which forests were threatened in 1997 by severe epidemic? Sal forest. Which forest were threatened in a severe epidemic? Sal forest in region 3 central India were severely affected by tree pest. In 1997, this caused large scale forest degradation, impacting timber production and biodiversity. Teak forest 3 and 4 no major regarding teak forest. Oak. Sal forests are prone to pests like sal borer, Hoplocrambix spinicornis, which caused extensive damage in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in late 1990s. Forest conservation program like National Afforestation Program aim to restore degraded sal forests. Which of the following states forests are classified as subtropical? मध्य प्रदेश, केरला, तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटक, ये तो वो है ट्रॉपिकल है, लेकिन मध्य प्रदेश हैज एक्सटेंसिव सब ट्रॉपिकल ड्राई deciduous forest dominated by teak and sal. Kerala has tropical evergreen and moist deciduous forest. Tamil Nadu tropical dry deciduous and evergreen forest. Tropical dry deciduous forest, but not subtropical. Karnataka tropical moist and dry deciduous forest. Subtropical forests are found in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, part of Himachal and northeast states. These forests act as transition between tropical and temperate forest. Subtropical. Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following is not essential species of Himalayan vegetation? Juniper, silverfir or spores. Mahogany, Swietenia is a tropical hardwood found in Central and South America and part of India, Western Ghat. It is not a native species of Himalayan vegetation. लेकिन जूनिपर सिल्वरफिर और स्प्रूस यही होता है. जूनिपर फाउंड इन अल्पाइन एंड सब अल्पाइन जोन अबाउट 3000 मीटर इन हिमालयाज. Silverfir grows 2000 to 3000 meter in western Himalayas. Spruce found in temperate coniferous forest of the Himalayas. Himalayan forests are divided into alpine, temperate and subtropical zones, each supporting unique vegetation. Illegal logging and climate change threaten Himalayan tree species. Example of a multi-purpose tree used in social forestry. Khechri. Used in social forestry. Khechri prosperous cinerea is known as king of the desert. Khechri ko. It is drought resistant, provide fodder, fuel wood, green manure and used in afforestation. Sesame, valuable timber tree but not extensively used in social forestry. Dhak, Butium monosperm. Important for dye production. Eucalyptus used in commercial plantation but has negative ecological impact. Khejri is the state tree of Rajasthan and essential to the Bishnoi community conservation effort. Victoria Falls in Africa. It is located in border of Zambia and Mozambique. It is situated on the Zambezi River. Yes, I Victoria Falls. Border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls is on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe, not Mozambique. It is located on the Zambezi River. Zambia और जिम्बाब्वे के बॉर्डर पे लोकेटेड है और it is located on the Zambezi River. Victoria Fall is the one of the largest waterfall, 1708 meter wide or 108 meter high, called the smoke that thunders due to the mist it generates. Designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1989. Victoria Fall, the smoke that thunders. जिम्बाब्वे और जाम्बिया के बॉर्डर पे वो होता है और जिम्बेजी रिवर जो है इसको फीड करती है. देवदार grows at highest elevation 1500 to 2500, while sal and teak are found lower altitude. Sal forest in central India were devastated by a pest epidemic in 1997. Madhya Pradesh is most extensive subtropical forest in India. Mahogany is not a Himalayan tree. It is native to tropical region. Mahogany is not a Himalayan tree. It is native to tropical region, मतलब Western Ghats पे. Khejri is a vital tree in Rajasthan desert ecosystem and social forestry program. Victoria Falls is on the Zambia-Zimbabwe border, on the Zambezi River. Lisa is obtained from which tree? Lisa मतलब resin is extracted from pine tree, mainly in Uttarakhand, Himachal and other Himalayan regions. Lisa resin is extracted from pine trees, mainly in Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and other Himalayan regions. It is tapped commercially for its resin, which is distilled into turpentine oil and non-volatile rosin widely used in industry like paint, varnish, rubber and polish. Lisa is a crucial source of self-employment in Uttarakhand's rural economy. Lisa is pine से निकलता है. देवदार a Himalayan coniferous tree mainly used in timber, burans, rhododendron arboretum, a flowering tree found in Himalayas known for its red flowers and medicinal property. Rhododendron arboretum. Sesame, Dalberga siso. a valuable timber tree found in North India used to furniture and construction. Pine resin collection is a centuries old practice in Himalayas. Excessive resin tapping can weaken trees and make them vulnerable to disease. Match the mangrove site with their respective state. अचरा रत्नागिरी कहाँ महाराष्ट्र में है. Found along the Konkan coast, home to diverse mangrove species. अचरा रत्नागिरी. कुंडापुर कर्नाटका, known for its estuarine mangrove forest along the western Ghat. Pichavaram, Tamil Nadu, one of the India's largest mangrove forests, located near Chidambaram. Pichavaram. Vebanand, Vembanand, a Ramsar wetland site with extensive mangrove vegetation. India has significant mangrove forest in West Bengal, Sundarbans, Odisha, Bhitarnatka and Gujarat. India has significant mangrove forest in West Bengal, Sundarban, Odisha, Bhitarnatka, and Gujarat. Mangroves play a crucial role in coastal production and carbon sequestration. Which of the following not correctly matched? Sundarban, West Bengal sahi, Bhitarkanika, Odisha sahi, Pichavaram, Tamil Nadu sahi, Vembanand, Kerala. It is largest lake in Kerala and Ramsar wetland site. सबसे बड़ा रामसर वेटलैंड साइट भी है. सुंदरबन, वेस्ट बंगाल, भितरकनिका, मेजर मैंग्रोव इकोसिस्टम नोन फॉर सॉल्ट वाटर क्रोकोडाइल्स. पीचावरम, तमिलनाडु, ए वेल प्रिजर्व्ड मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट नियर चिदम्बरम. वेबंद lake faces ecological threat due to pollution and encroachment. Mangrove conservation program like National Mangrove Conservation Fund aim to protect these ecosystems. Tropical rainforest in India is found in which state? Tropical rainforest is India is found in rainforest, evergreen, Assam and Kerala. Tropical rainforests require over 200 centimeters of rainfall annually and are found in Assam, Northeast India and Kerala, Western Ghat. These forests are home to high biodiversity, including endangered species like lion-tailed macaw and hornbills. Assam and Nagaland. Nagaland has subtropical forest, not true tropical forest. Odisha and Chhattisgarh, these states have moist deciduous forest, but not rainforest. Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, both states have dry deciduous forest. India's tropical rainforests are primarily found in Western Ghat, Andaman Nicobar Island and Northeast India. Which state has largest area under dense deciduous forest? Madhya Pradesh has largest forest cover in India, 77,493 square kilometer, with a significant portion being dense deciduous forest. Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal, Chhattisgarh have highest forest areas. Deforestation and mining are major threats to these forests. Which districts are largest dense deciduous forest cover? Paschim Champaran. According to ISFR 2021, Paschim Champaran, Bihar has largest dense deciduous forest area. Kaimur follows with 519.83 square per kilometer, जबकि वेस्ट चंपारण 797.81 square per kilometer. The forests in Bihar are part of Gangetic Plain, known for sal and teak vegetation. Khair Katechu is a part of which forest? Subtropical forest. Khair Acacia Katechu is found in subtropical forest, mainly in Shivalik and western Himalaya foothills. It is used for katha extraction, used in pan. Subtropical forest. Khair Katechu is found in subtropical, mainly in Shivalik and western Himalaya foothills. It is used for katha extraction, used in pan, and has medicinal value. Khair is commonly found in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Himalayan foothills. Over extraction of khair for katha production has led the conservation concern. Which state has highest percentage of area under forest? Mizoram, 85.41%. Other forest states Rich states include Arunachal, Nagaland, and Meghalaya. Northeastern states have high forest cover but are facing deforestation due to shifting cultivation. Which tree is found in plurality in Sita Nadi area? Sal. Sita Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary in Chhattisgarh is known for its dense sal forest along with teak and bamboo. The sanctuary spans 553.36 square kilometers and is crucial for biodiversity conservation. Sal forests in Chhattisgarh are considered among the best in India. Sal forest Chhattisgarh, Sita Nadi area. Lisa resin is obtained from pine trees and used to varnish rubber and polish industry. Achara Ratnagiri Maharashtra, Kundapur Karnataka and Pichavaram Tamil Nadu. Vembanan Kerala are major mangrove sites. Madhya Pradesh is largest sea under dense deciduous forest. Paschim Champaran Bihar has highest dense deciduous forest cover among districts. Khair Acacia catechu is subtropical tree found in Shivalik and Himalayan. Mizoram has highest percentage of forest area 85.4. Sita Nadi Wildlife Sanctuary in Chhattisgarh is dominated by साल फॉरेस्ट। ठीक, तो ये हम लोग का ख़त्म होता है। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।